every time I do a bun, a lot of people seem to like it, so I just thought I should share that with you. The first step is for you to put your hair in a high bun like this. I like to use rubber bands because rubber bands are usually more secured for me or for my liking. If you're lucky enough, you get a black one, so it won't be very obvious. But in this case, it's not going to be showing, nobody's going to see it, alright? The next step is to split it into half. As you can see, I have one on the left and I have one on the right, okay? So I'm going to drop the one on my left hand side and I'm going to take this one. I'll smoothen it like that and I'll set it. Then I twist it. It's a case of twist and wrap. Twist, adjust, alright? And now I'm doing it anti-clockwise. Twist and wrap, take it all the way around, okay? Keep wrapping. You are doing this one anti-clockwise, okay? So I'm bringing it back anti-clockwise still, and I'm tucking it in under that rubber band. As you can see, I've done this one. I can adjust it whichever way I like. Press it down, push it to the side, it's not going to come off. So the second one, which is right here, adjust it and do it clockwise. You know the first one, this one I did anti-clockwise, and this one is coming clockwise, this way, the way the clock goes, okay? So I'm going to twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. So I'm twisting and wrapping and twisting and wrapping and adjusting and bringing it all the way to the back. I will also tuck this one in under that rubber band, okay? Now that I have my bun, I want to adjust it whichever way I like. I can stretch it right in the middle to make it bolder or bigger. I can adjust it to push it up a little bit, push it down, it's not going to come off. So in this case, you can either use a rubber band to secure it, which I like to do, or you can use bobby pins. I like to use rubber band. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stretch this and pass it through, okay? It's going to secure the bun under, it's not going to be showing at the back or anything like that. As you can see, adjust your bun whichever way you fancy. You can even make it loose. You can make it loose so it's not tight on your head. As you can see, I'm stretching it, I'm pushing it back, I'm pushing it forward to the side. You can adjust it whichever way you like. It's not going to come off once you secure it nicely with that rubber band. And that is how I achieve my 3 minutes bun. It's so easy breezy to do. It's painless, it's effortless, and it's so chic.